Hi, I decided to make this video to document the build of my Nissan GTR. It's a R32 Skyline 1992. I bought the car about 4 months ago and it's been in the garage for about 2 months, getting fully stripped down. So today I'm going to do some videos about some of the parts that I bought for the car, and I'm going to go through the parts one by one. The car was imported into the UAE about 4 years ago, and I bought it off another gentleman who's owned the car and kept it in the garage for 4 years, and he hasn't really done anything with it. So I decided, it came available and I decided to buy it, and this is a project build for me to take it apart, fully strip it and rebuild it. So let's get into it then. Here's some of the parts that I've bought. So I bought here, this is a Nismo 40th anniversary steering wheel, as you can see. Okay, and I also bought a Works Bell steering hub. But actually this Works Bell steering hub isn't the right one. This is a 629S, which is a short for the R34. So I bought the wrong one. And what this, I'll just show you this quickly. What this short does is it's for a quick release. So I bought the wrong one and I've got the actual one on the way. As you can see, it's a short one, and you're supposed to adapt the quick release onto this, and then the wheel is supposed to fit to the quick release for the 34. Like I said, that's the wrong one. And that's for the 34. A bit of a story with the wheel. So I was traveling in Thailand and these wheels are hard to come across. And I found a distributor, or really a collector in Bangkok, a guy from Oak Club, and he had 2 of these wheels, and I immediately jumped on it and bought this wheel. Just to go back to the hub you need for this is the 616 Works Bell, and it should work with this wheel and an R32. Okay, that's the R32 without the airbag. Okay. Okay, quick close up there of the wheel barcode. So what's in the box? First of all, we've got the original Nismo documentation and installation. There is the horn cover. And you can see the original 40th anniversary logo. And then the horn, there's still the plastic on there, I need to remove that. You'll see it on the car when it's installed. And then, this is the 40th anniversary wheel. And you can see it's got the original 40th anniversary logo. It's full leather, and this is made by ATC. Solid construction and a real classic piece. This is really going to finish off the car nicely.